Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys, so you can stay tuned for that reading, Aquarius. So first let's start with these cards here. We have 5 of swords in reverse, 9 of wands in reverse, and wheel of fortune. So in your situation, guys, Aquarius, you are making a lot of efforts. Maybe in your work you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. You are working hard, devoted and determined. So your situation demands a lot of efforts. You are using your skills and talents today, and you are someone who is dedicated, responsible. And though you see a lot of obstacles today, there may be people who are opposing you or competing with you in your work, or there may be competitive businesses fighting for the opportunities you have, or people fighting for the opportunities you are seeing today. So whatever be the situation, guys, you are someone who is determined, confident, and you are working hard. And you may be seeing a lot of obstacles, delays in your work situation. Certain things may go right, guys. With your efforts you are able to change it, but certain things may not go right for you. It may lead to some kind of a difficult situation. So it may be a situation in your work or in this relationship, guys, and constantly your circumstances are changing, and you feel positive about certain things. Maybe you have that positive attitude, inspiration towards certain things, but in certain things you feel really confused and doubts, and the reason it may be destiny, guys. So whatever is supposed to reach you, you are completing that successfully. So in your work situation maybe, or in your relationship. So if this is a destined connection, you are going to get really lucky. So this person will understand you, and they are coming towards you, and this love is going to work in a magical way for you, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have 10 of swords. So maybe things are not going as we expected, guys. There may be some difficulties in this relationship. Maybe this person feels that you do not understand them, and things are going in an uncontrollable way. Maybe this person may leave you, guys. For some of you, they may not have this understanding, and they want a break to think clearly, so they are moving away from you, maybe, or it may be your energy. You are moving away from this person, Aquarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have 4 of wands in reverse. So with this card, it just means that things are going in a positive way in your work situation. Maybe there may be success you are seeing in a few things in your work, and you are celebrating it also, guys, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards and 2 crystals. So you can either choose the cards or the crystals, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. So you can think about your situation or the questions you have in your mind. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card so that way the reading may resonate. So let's close our eyes and meditate, and I will start the reading after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for y'all. For those who chose this card, we have Spirit Quartz. So with this card, guys, it just means that you need to reach out and connect with the people around you and discover the true power of gifts by sharing with the people you love, and willingness to put everyone's welfare ahead of our own small self for now, guys. So with this card, it just means that by the way you are connecting with the person in this romantic love, you are showing the universe that you are deeply moved by this love and you are ready for a healthy romantic partnership today. And there are different ways love is approaching you today, guys. And with this abundance of love, you are moving towards the power to heal yourself and you are changing your vibration. So with love in your heart, you are changing positively and your vibration is very positive today. And when we have positivity in our life, guys, it is going to attract more positive things for us. So that is the energy with this card. So when we are open to love, maybe for some of you, you are getting someone interesting, someone is coming towards you to propose to you, they are interested in you, and it is time you give up the expectations. Maybe you have certain dreams about someone and you are expecting people to match those dreams, but what is reaching you may be something not up to your dreams, but it may be something even much more better for you guys, this person. So that is the energy with this card. So you just have to give up the expectation you have today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, forgiveness. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today we are moving towards that healing energy. So maybe in our situation, we would have done something we regret. We would have hurt someone, maybe, or we are holding grudges or want to take revenge on someone. But this cycle of anger, resentment is not going to take us anywhere, guys. It is simply going to trap us. And by forgiving others, forgiving the person who has wronged us, we are just benefiting ourselves. So it allows us to heal and releases us from this cycle of blame. So forgiving does not mean that you need to forget what has been done. It just means that it allows both parties to move on positively with their lives. And forgiveness does not depend on you and the other person forgiving simultaneously, guys. So the sooner you forgive, it is good for you, and the sooner you accept forgiveness from that other person, it is going to be good for you, and you are going to heal much more faster, and you are going to see a change, a positive change in your situation, and you will simply heal from the painful memories that you had, and those memories are just going to vanish once you forgive this person, and you will be able to move on positively, have a brighter future, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.